Some Goya garlic powder.
A simple grateful plea for every click and every view, for all the folks we see.
Some blended natural seasoning. Blend onion, scallion, thyme. Going in with some curry powder. So I put curry powder when I'm seasoning, and I'm going to burn curry powder when I start cooking. Okay, going in now with some black pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and rub up that.
From a humble kitchen, we're serving up a treat. Thank you for watching. The journey can't be beat. From the car seat to the stove, a simple thank you note to everyone who's come along and read the words we wrote. We're humble and we're grateful for the ride you take with us.
Put in a little more curry on it, and I'm going to rub well, massage in the seasoning, and after this I'm going to set aside to marinate between half an hour to an hour, or if you want you can leave it overnight. So here I am now putting in some oil in the pot, and then I'm going to put 1 pack of better pack curry, and I'm going to allow it to burn. Don't turn the stove up too high, just put it on medium and allow the curry to burn properly before you put in your meat. And here I go now, putting in the meat, stir a little and cover. So it is going to spring its own water and cook the chicken, right? So don't make it too high because we don't want it to burn. So here we go. You see how much liquid is formed, and I have not put any water inside here. It springs the own liquid. All right, so from time to time you're going to go ahead and stir. In Jamaican homes, we always burn the curry first. That step alone changes everything. It's not just about rushing, it's about letting the flavor wake up. When you do it this way, all your neighbor smell your pot cooking. Going in with now with some chopped Irish and carrots, and I'm going to stir again. I'm putting them in before I put in the natural seasoning to allow them to boil a little. Every family cook curry chicken a little different, but the feeling is the same. This is the kind of food that keep people around the table. When you finish eating this curry chicken, only bone leaving the plate, and that is some ravish bone. If you have reached this far in the video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe to this channel for more Jamaican cooking. Always remember to taste your pot. Always remember to do this, okay? If you need a little more salt, a little more seasoning, whatever it is. Here I'm going in with 2 pieces of ginger, about an inch each. I'm going in with piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going in with some fresh thyme. Yes guys, pata simmer down. Pata simmer down. Based on my taste, it needed a little more salt, so I'm going in with a little more salt. Remember to season to your taste, okay?
In the digital kitchen, the screens aglow. KK Kitchen and more, watch the flavors grow. A dash of this spice, a little of that fun. The cooking adventure has only just begun. So if you're hungry for something new, a recipe to try.
This isn't fancy food, it's real food, authentic Jamaican food, the kind you grow up with and carry with you everywhere you go. It is almost done guys, it's on the finishing, so let's dish our dinner. If you grow up with curry chicken, you understand. And if you didn't, welcome. This is real Caribbean food, real Jamaican food, real life, real flavor in your plate, real cooking in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Come back again for more authentic Jamaican dish. Let's go eating guys. This is my plate. Do you want me to serve you up some? Just leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for sticking and staying in my kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching KK's Kitchen and more.